हेलो भाई लोग, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का खान भाई किंग चैनल में। अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि आप लोगों को कभी भी जीवन में केगल्स प्रॉब्लम देखने को ना मिले तो आप लोग हमारी वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें। और अगर आप लोग लास्ट तक वीडियो को देख लेते हैं तो मैं 100% गारंटी लेके कहता हूँ कि आप लोग को कभी भी केगल्स या पल्विक फ्लोर का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम देखने को नहीं मिलेगा। क्योंकि आज मैं आप लोगों को ऐसे ऐसे तगड़े तगड़े बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज बताने वाला हूँ जो आप लोग कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि ये सब एक्सरसाइज भी होता है। और ये सब एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद में आप लोगों का बहुत ही ज़्यादा फायदा होने वाला है। केगल्स प्रॉब्लम बहुत ही जल्दी से दूर होने वाला है, क्योंकि सबसे ज़्यादा बेस्ट और सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट केगल एक्सरसाइज आज मैं आप सब लोगों को बताने वाला हूँ। आप लोगों को कोई भी बताने वाला नहीं है, पर मैं आप लोग को ऐसी बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज बताऊंगा कि आप लोग भी हैरान हो जाएंगे। और अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि हम लोग का केगल एक्सरसाइज, केगल प्रॉब्लम या पल्विक फ्लोर का कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है दूर हो जाए, तो आप लोग ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक और प्यारा सा कमेंट जरूर करें भाई लोग। और आप लोग वीडियो को आखिर तक देखें, बहुत ही अच्छा रिजल्ट आप लोगों को मिलेगा। एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1।
Rise up, warrior, the dawn is breaking bright. Lace up those shoes, step into the fight. Sweat on your brow, fire in your veins. No more excuses, break through the chains. Feel the rhythm pumping, heart beating strong. This is your moment, where you belong. Push past the limits, embrace the burn. Every rep counts, it's your turn. Muscle screamer, but you won't back down. Conquer the weights, claim your crown. From the treadmill sprint to the deadlift pull, you're unbreakable. Fierce and full, let the energy surge. Let it ignite in the gym's arena, you own the night. Ignite the fire, let it burn so hot. Sweat and grind, give it all you got. Push harder, faster, never stop the flow. You're a champion, let the whole world know. Feel the power rise, an unbreakable soul in this fitness battle. You're in control, ignite the fire, rise above the...
Exercise number 2.
Mirror reflects the warrior within. Today's the day you begin to win. Cardio kings and queens on the run, pounding pavement under the sun. Waves clanging loud in the iron hall, building strength, answering the call. Hydrate, fuel up, keep the engine roaring. Mind over matter, forever soaring. From planks to burpees, squat so deep. Every move I promise you, keep no shortcuts here, just pure dedication. Transform your body, your own creation. Ignite the fire, let it burn so hot. Sweat and grind, give it all you've got. Push harder, faster, never stop the flow. You're a champion, let the whole world know. Feel the power rising, unbreakable soul in this fitness battle. You're in control, ignite the fire, rise above the pain. Victory's calling, break every chain.
Exercise number 3.
Yesterday, community lifts you, friends by your side. Together we conquer, with pride, we stride. Night falls, but your spirit's alive. Late night sessions where legends thrive. Elliptical strides, cycling through miles. Smiles through the sweat, enduring trials. Core engaged, abs on fire. Building that six-pack higher and higher. Yoga flows for balance and peace. But in the gym, the beast is released. Nutrition's key, clean and right. Proteins and greens, fuel for the fight. Rest when needed, recover and grow. Then back to the grind, let the gain show. Universal call to all who hear. Young or old, far or near. Ignite the fire, let it burn so hot.
Exercise number 4.
Fitness battle, you're in control. Ignite the fire, rise above the pain. Victory's calling, break every chain. Imagine the transformation day by day, from novice to pro, paving the way. Track your progress, log every set, celebrate wins, no regrets. Hydration station, water's your friend. Keep pushing forward to the end. Group classes pumping, energy high. Zumba or spin, touch the sky. Personal records, waiting to break. For your own sake, make no mistake. Feel the adrenaline rush through your core. This is what life's worth fighting for. No matter the weather, rain or shine, the gym's your temple, divine. Pause for a moment, feel the beat. Heart sinking with every repeat. You're not alone in this quest. Millions striving for their...
Exercise number 5.
Early risers, dawn patrol crew, conquer it, mornings fresh and new. Afternoon warriors breaking the slump, evening grinders ready to jump. Home workouts too, no excuse zone. Body weight moves, all all on your own. Push-ups, pull-ups, lunges galore. Building endurance, asking for more. Stretching out, flexibility key. Prevent the injuries, move freely. Mindset matters, positive vibe. In this tribe, we all thrive. From beginners, starting slow to athletes in the flow. Ignite the fire, let it burn so hot. Sweat and grind, give it all you've got. Push harder, faster, never stop the flow. You're a champion, let the whole world know. Feel the power rise, an unbreakable soul in this fitness battle. You're in control, ignite the fire, rise above the pain. Victory's calling, break every chain. Global anthem.